Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of air frying with a closer look at the Dash Tasti-Crisp digital air fryer. We found this compact gem online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. The Dash Tasti-Crisp is a small yet powerful 2.6-quart air fryer designed specifically for 1 to 2 people. Its compact size makes it perfect for those of you living in apartments, dorms, RVs, or any small kitchen where countertop space is at a premium. With the Dash Tasti-Crisp, you can enjoy crispy, delicious meals without needing a bulky appliance taking over your kitchen. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this air fryer. One of its most impressive aspects is the adjustable temperature range, which spans from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This flexibility allows you to cook a variety of dishes to perfection. Whether you're roasting vegetables, making crispy chicken nuggets, or whipping up a batch of fries, you can set the ideal temperature for each recipe. And with a timer that goes from 0 to 60 minutes, you can easily keep track of your cooking time. Another feature worth highlighting is the 3 programmable presets. These presets allow you to save your go-to settings, making meal prep even easier. Simply select your desired preset, and with just a touch, you're on your way to perfectly cooked food every time. The Dash Tasti-Crisp utilizes AirCrisp Technology, which means you can enjoy that beloved crunch with little to no oil. This is a game changer for anyone looking to make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor or texture. The 1000-watt heating element ensures quick heat-up times and better cooking results, meaning your meals will be ready faster than you might expect. Safety is also a priority with the Dash Tasti-Crisp. It features an auto shut-off function that turns the air fryer off when the timer runs out, giving you peace of mind as you prepare your meal. Just set your time and temperature using the easy-to-read digital display, and you can walk away without worrying about overcooking your food. When it comes to cleanup, the Dash Tasti-Crisp makes it easy. The removable non-stick crisper drawer and tray are dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Plus, the included recipe guide will inspire you to try new dishes, from crispy fries to delicious cinnamon rolls. So, who is this air fryer suitable for? Well, if you're a busy individual or couple who enjoys quick and easy meals, the Dash Tasti-Crisp is perfect for you. It's also great for college students or anyone living in a small space who might not have room for a full-sized oven. If you're someone who loves to experiment in the kitchen but wants to keep things simple and efficient, this compact air fryer will fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Practical use cases abound with the Dash Tasti-Crisp. Imagine coming home after a long day, setting the air fryer to your favorite preset, and in no time, you're enjoying perfectly crunchy fries or reheating leftovers without the hassle of using a traditional oven. It's also a fantastic option for meal prepping. Cook up a batch of chicken or veggies in advance, and you'll have delicious ingredients ready to go for the week. In conclusion, the Dash Tasti-Crisp digital air fryer is a fantastic addition to any small kitchen. With its compact design, adjustable settings, and user-friendly features, it's perfect for